going to do barbecue chicken with already cooked roasted chicken from the local supermarket. We want to make it easy because sometimes you just doesn't have the time to put the chicken in raw and get things together. So we're going to skip the corner of chicken cooking and leave the skin on the chicken pieces here. As you can see, it's all roasted and cooked. I got a whole one, so I chopped it up, ready to be mixed with the barbecue sauce and other ingredients. And we are going to begin with the ingredients. That way you can cook your chicken in the oven and put it on broil. So now we'll begin with the sauce mixer. We got the chicken here. I'm going to put the chicken in a bigger little bowl here. And that bowl is a little bigger and deeper in order to get started. So we don't have to do anything, putting it in the oven or nothing. Now the next thing we're going to do is get the sauce ready. This is 3/4 cup of Swerve brown sugar alternative. I use 2 tablespoons of honey mustard. That's optional. Then if you're getting already a bulk made barbecue sauce, you're trying to make it like homemade style and taste. Then I like to use just regular honey, your choice, a tablespoon of honey. I'm going to put it in there. I sauteed onions, red onions, a 1/2 clove of garlic, fresh garlic, and a 1/2 cup of mushroom stems in pieces, chopped already. And I sauteed it for probably like 2 minutes, just so it can get tender. We're gonna pour it in here in the bowl. Now we got the main ingredients here to go on the chicken, and that's the barbecue sauce. So we're just going to pour it in here. No need of doing a measuring, just the amount that you think you need, but you know, depending on the pieces, it can be the whole jar. It depends on what you and your family like, or you gathering that you want to give, how much sauce you want to give them. We don't do a great amount of sauce because barbecue sauce do have sugar and things in it. So we don't do a great amount of sauce. You can find other barbecue sauce according to your family. It's just the original barbecue sauce from Kraft. I'm not doing any sponsoring today. You can see all the mixture. We're going to mix it all together. The Swerve, the mushrooms, the onions, and the garlic. And you got the mustard, honey mustard in there. Okay, now we're ready to put the pieces of chicken in there. You see how easy this is? It's really not a lot to do because you don't have the time to do it. I don't have the time, and I got friends coming over, and I told them I was gonna do some grilling, give them barbecue sauce. I don't have the time, all this cooking and mixing. Guess what? I put gloves on because I don't like to mix my hand all up, but you can do it if you want to. So what we're doing is mixing all the sauce, sauce and all the ingredients. Just mixing it in really good there. You see how quick this is? I mean, you can heat it up and put it in the microwave if you want to eat it like that, but we're talking about preparing a oven barbecue chicken looking like it came off the grill. As you've seen at the beginning of the picture. If you haven't seen it, you will see it afterwards. Now, this is what I did here. I greased this roaster pan, and I filled it up with water. The pan was halfway with water. That helps the meat to stay moist. Since my hands have gloves on it, we're going to put the pieces on here with all the sauce and good ingredients that we put on here. It smells so good. The mustard is optional if you don't want mustard because you got honey in there, but I like it. Now that's all the pieces of the chicken. We're going to put the other ingredients, the onions and the mushroom stems on top of it evenly. You can put it in a deep pan if you want to have it over your food more, but I put it on this roasted pan with water to keep the moistness. Remember, this chicken is already cooked, so it's really like a quick thing. But that smell would be in the house, and it's like, oh, we can't wait to eat. It smells so good in here.